This is the best plant-based asparagus soup ever. So first I started with 1 bushel of asparagus. I cut off the yucky tips and then I cut them into 3 pieces. That way I could separate the tips from the middle and ends. I also discarded the tips of anyone that had like a rough looking edge. And we're gonna make soup with the middle pieces. Yeah, throw those yucky pieces away. Those aren't gonna make good soup. So right when I was done slicing up the asparagus, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I sprayed my sheet pan with non-stick cooking spray and applied the asparagus. I sprayed them a little bit too before adding seasoning. I just used some seasoning salt and red chili flakes. I then baked them for 12 minutes. Once they cooled down, so they were safe to touch, I separated the tips from the remaining pieces, and then I used the center pieces to make soup. So I added them into my food processor, chopped them up a little bit, add some ginger paste, and a little bit of vegetable broth at first to try to get it as broken up as possible. You might have to scrape the sides once or twice. Just get it real down in there under the blade, and then add some more vegetable broth. Okay, it's not gonna be real pasty, it'll be chunky. Then I sauteed some onions in my Instant Pot before adding in the asparagus. Mix it up. Add the rest of the vegetable broth and a little bit of soy milk or almond milk. You could even put coconut cream if you like that. I added some more seasoning, stirred it up, and then I cooked it again in the Instant Pot. Pressure cooked on high for 2 minutes, steamed for another 2 minutes. Then I added the tips into the soup.